Hey, welcome to another exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make your portrait more exciting in Capture One. For example, look at this image on your screen. If you want to crop this image, you will have to reduce the height of the image, which by doing that, you're already reducing the original size of the image, and the overall quality will definitely be affected. Okay, so if this is the frame that you want, don't use the crop tool. Okay, so instead look for this tool, which is rotation and flip tool, under your lens section in Capture One. Okay, so you can move the angle of your picture this way or this way, and in this manner this picture becomes more exciting. It looks special because people are used to seeing pictures where the model is standing straight, but changing the angle of the picture gives it more exciting look. And in this way, we have not reduced the height or the original size of the image, we have not tampered with the overall quality of the image, and we have been able to set the picture to another frame to a different angle. This way your picture looks more exciting. You can do this for any picture of your choice in Capture One. Okay, depending on what you want, you can even use it for pictures like this. Okay, depending on what you want, you can use it for any picture of your choice in Capture One. Okay, this is another picture. So you can play around this tool until you get what you want, and in this way you can make your picture more exciting in Capture One. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. That is the only way you can support me. That is the only way you can encourage me to do more for the community. Thank you so much.